Hey, good morning, guys. Good evening or good afternoon. It depends on the place or it depends on the time difference that you're watching this video today. So, on today, guess what, guys? Guess what? Guess what? Your village boy is back home. And where is home? Home, home is all best. Home is the best. Welcome all. Feel free to subscribe to this YouTube channel. My name is Claude Joseph, and in case you're new on this channel, kindly subscribe, like, share, and leave a sweet comment. On today's video, I thank you all for 22,000 subscribers, and now remember the road is to 30,000 subscribers, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Every milestone, I give thanks to you because you're the people who comment, subscribe, and share my videos, and always watch my videos without skipping the ads. That's the greatest support ever. And now I'm a happy boy. As always, I'm a happy boy. Thank you so much for praying for me. Thank you so much for praying for my family. Thank you so much for praying for each and every person. And also, as I prayed for you, pray for me back. I'm back home, safe and alive, safe and sound, and this is my home. For the new subscribers, I'll actually give you a short quick tour after maybe some few minutes. I'll give you a tour about my home. This is my sweet home, where I call home. If somebody says take me to your home, this is my home here in Kenya, East Africa, Nyabohanse, near the border of Kenya and Tanzania, to be specific. Nyabohanse, hey, Nyabohanse. And I came back, and guess what? I found grandma healthier and healthiest. Is it even a good English term to say? Healthier and healthiest. The other time I stood here, the other time when she was fainting for me, I was running to the hospital, bills here and there, but I thank God for having amazing family on YouTube right here. You keep on praying for me, kept on praying, keep on supporting me until now, man. Grandma, she's sound, alive and healthy. I can't wait to bring her here on board and we sing our song. Let us sing a song with Granny over here. All right, guys. For our new subscriber, this is my home. This is where Claude Joseph come from. And for those who thought maybe I come from the city, no, I don't come from the city. I am coming from deep in the village over here. And it's harvesting time. As you see, we used to have a lot of maize here, but because this is the month where they harvest, they have already harvested, they're already done. And now we are left with this over here. This can be food to animals, and also it's manure once you burn it, or also it can be kept somewhere so that it can be used to make some stuffs around here in the village. Also it can be used to make some local brew. Others use this to ripen bananas. So right, but with us here, we are just leaving it here, and then we'll burn them some days so that it can become what we call like manure also, you know. So, and also let me know in the comment section, what do you think? Here it's where I usually work out for now. Oh, they broke this fan for me. Oh my god, sorry. That's why when you're in the village, things goes well. When you're far away, nobody takes care of them. So let's go to Granny and we see how Granny is doing. This is the place where you used to see Claude relaxing, having best time over here. Now this home is quiet when I'm not around. Home is very quiet. Why? Because everybody mind his own business. Mama goes to the business, Papa goes to her own work, my younger brother goes to school, Mugendi stays on the other side. So home becomes home. And guess what? Haidoma iye murale, haidoma wana watu wafiki lengaso. Haidoma iye mulale, haidoma nde kimolo. Haidoma iye mulale, Good morning, Granny. Hey.
How are you?
I'm good, Granny.
Ready good girl.
Yes, good.
Good.
How are you?
How are you?
Introduce, guys. This is my granny.
Yeah.
Hey.
Hey, my daddy.
Umengara.
Nangara.
She's very happy when she saw me at the first
Mimi
time.
nakushukuru hata naomba Mungu nasema hivi kinya mkama liko hapa. Ngasa hizi niko makaburini huko.
Kweli.
Mission. Nakuombea.
Oh my God.
Nakuombea hata usiku sikulala.
Oh my God.
Kama jana vile niliona huko vile wanafanya
Guys, whatever she's saying.
Ingia tajiri ya Mombasa. Ranga hei. Kisumu, Nairobi.
You know what, guys, she's saying.
Hata nilikuwa nalala hapo usingizi nilisituka mara moja.
Ulishtuka mara moja tu.
Nasema mwana anaingia tajiri baba.
Baba.
Abantu baraitwa bucho masikari na wawa hangalini
Hiya, baby. Guys, so tell my this is my granny for the new subscribers. This is my comedian granny. Actually, she has been so supportive towards this channel whenever I started actually doing some vlogs, and she was the first person being introduced to this channel, because most of the people here in the village, they used to fear cameras. They used to fear cameras. They used to fear me making vlogs with their phone. Everybody used to fear, but Granny used to stand with me each and every single day. When I do a video, she could say hi. Until now, I'm so much grateful with her. And also, she was speaking in Swahili and Korea. So Mokami is my name. Mokami is my name, and I go by the name Claude Joseph on this YouTube channel. So she was saying, "I'm praying for you, Mokami. If it could be you, by now I could be in the grave," because she was so sick some days back, but now she's giving thanks. Uncle B, mnaweza shukuru pia wanaotuangalia. I'm telling her she has to say, hey. I told her just to say thanks also to you guys, because you really supported me. Uko sawa sasa? Kanywele.
Niko sawa.
And I'm so shocked, guys. Her skin is very smooth. Look.
Ndo nawaambia kinya mkamari uko hapa. Hata sikujua pale hata wapi Kihanja, sijui Migori,
wapi Mombasa back.
Sijui chini huko, hata kile siku naulize huko chini ni wapi?
Ukuje. Nafanya kupeleka Mombasa.
Kufanya ni
hapo. Nafanya na wewe bibi. Nakupeleka tu naenda kwa unaona maji. I'm tricking her. I'm tricking her. Kuna fun. Kuna ile. I'm telling her how to take her to Mombasa, and she's like, "Hey, a lot of Mombasa. Hey, tell us a story about you in Mombasa."
Ya Mombasa tulikuwa tunakaa. Na mwambie sange nendo niletea manazi yale. Nikule. Manazi hapa, manazi hapa, manazi hapa.
Oh guys, I never knew.
Siku moja akaenda akasema tena nende nimwaletea mapuya.
Makali.
Hata sikumaliza nilimwambia siku moja usiniletee.
She's saying actually I never knew maybe my grandma, because whoever I know that was in Mombasa is my grandpa, my grandpa who died a long time ago. I never saw her, but I have been hearing stories about him. So I think also I'm taking the footstep events, because he used to be a traveler all the way around in this village over here. My grandpa went. So she got this lady from all the way from Tanzania to this side over here, and she was more. If you can imagine how beautiful she is now, you can imagine at her tender age. Let's keep that side. So she was telling me that if I take her to Mombasa, I should just go and have some coconut juice, other stuffs. Hi baby, mambo yako hapa kijijini aje? Nipe matangazo. Give me some good news.
Kijijini hiki Revolution tunasombora.
Hi baby. I'm speaking in Swahili. Ambia subscribe, like, share and subscribe. Hi guys. We miss you guys. Oh man. Nafaa tucheze na wewe sasa ya haidoma iye murale. Haidoma wana wetu wafiki lengadi. Haidoma iye mulale. Haidoma iye mulale. Haidoma iye mulale. Haidoma. Guys, I need to come back in the village and stay with Granny here for now. As you see now, Hey, she's even standing. Unasimama hata kweli vizuri bibi sahi. For now miguu, the legs are not is not swollen.
Niuma sababu hili nakaka hapa tu.
Okay. The legs are not swollen.
Kupana na pona vizuri.
Kabisa.
Mkono hii sienie navalizwa nguo kama mtoto.
Hii mkono.
Hii vidole hivi vinakufa kama unashika hivi. Inakuwa ganzi. Kama kitu kia
I think she's saying that sometimes she feels rheumatism on this. I think it's because of the needles, the injections. She used to get injected every single day. Sahi tuko hapa, sahi we are here. Hey. Guys, this is my granny. I missed her so much, so dearly. For now, whenever she's here, whenever I'm around, she'll be a parrot, talking up and down, up and down, up and down.
Nataka dawa tu ile nimalize.
Umalize. Haya bibi, sawa. Nakuja sasa tutembe. Wacha nimalize kazi tutakuwa. Mwambie hi bye guys, I'll see you later.
Hi bye.
I'll see you later guys. Yeah, I missed you. I missed you guys. I love you. To the moon. And back. Subscribe. To 30,000. 30,000. Sema 30,000. Sema 30,000. 30,000.
Najua sasa tu gonje hili
Say 30.
30,000.
30,000. Say 30,000. Subscribers. Subscribers. This is my comedian grandma. I wish I could have opened her channel some days, and we could be enjoying some words, because actually those days back they used not to go to school. The school that they used to have, is going to look after animals, looking after the children, looking after home issues, being taught by the elderly people. So school for them, it used to be like it's not a mandatory. So it used to be something that you have to choose, either school or stay back and inherit some stuffs. So that's what they used to do those days back. So but I whenever I started this channel, sometimes she understands some little English. You can greet, hi, how are you? She, how are you? I'm doing good. Just some basic, not really that big basic, but some little basic, and I'm giving thanks for her. So now that's why actually I usually to say, like, each and every single day, learn to not cling on the past, but learn to go with how the world is going. Like those days back, at her age, no man used to be going in the kitchen. It could be a fine. If you found in the kitchen, that could be a fine. She could not be maybe taking a slash and slash at the home, or she could not even take a pole or go on top of the roof. That is a taboo. But nowadays, how many ladies just are engineers? How many ladies are architects? How many ladies do roofing, But those days back, it used to be a taboo for a lady to go on top of the roof. So that's what. So they were moving with the rumors. Those days they were moving with the rumors. Oh, don't do this. It's a taboo. Don't do this. Or if you go to the roof, you'll be barren. You'll not give birth. Oh, so they used to do that. But I'm happy being back home. But something is like, I'm sad also. Whenever I left, and I just left people here to look after our grasses and trees. I'm seeing the grasses have not around. Whatever I've grown here is some weeds, and but the trees are moving okay. And also, this is my young brother's house. Mogendi the dreamer's house. We have already started what we call like building him his house. This is the one we see over here. So whatever is remaining is roofing, and then doors and the other stuffs, and somebody can start living in. But for now, we are the way we are. Here's where you see it. For the first time, the first weeks you saw this house was built within some few days, and it reached this point. So we got stuck because of roofing. We wanted some iron sheets, and also we were doing what we call like we waited for the timbers to dry up. I'll show you the timbers for this house, and then maybe I saw Mogendi, and also we had some iron sheets a little bit. We had 12 iron sheets that was supported directly to me. One of our subscribers, not one but two of our subscribers, one sent something and then another one sent something. Oh guys, this Claude is for your young brothers, Mogendi Dreamers house. Please make sure you help him where necessary. So instead of taking the money and give it to him, I kept it for the iron sheets. So for now we have around like 12 iron sheets for Mogendi, and also there's some that we sent him to come and buy some iron sheets. Yeah, so we need around like 50 iron sheets. 50 iron sheets will be done with this house. So yeah, in initial, for now we are with 12 iron sheet. That is for Claude, and also he has also other 12 that we sent him. So when he'll be at home, he just show me where the iron sheet are, so that we can of course now like we have a total of 22 plus iron sheets, and we need 50 iron sheets here. So still we are remaining with around 30, but I know still as time goes by we'll make it happen for him. Yeah, so also these are the trees. I'm so much in love with this. I was told this tree grow very, very big and huge and huge and huge and huge. I can't wait to see it growing. But I'm sad the grass we planted here, it has been killed a little bit by these weeds. So they started doing what we call like weeding. You know, there's a boy here who looks after my stuff back here at home. So we usually pay him $50 around. Yeah, so he usually looked. So whenever he thought maybe I'm going, he thought the boss did not come. So but I surprised them back unknowingly. Even my grandma was really? Only that I never wanted to show you the what we call like the reaction, because I was tired and my camera was off. So but thank God I'm back, and she's really doing great and amazing. And this is our house over here, our bulletproof house. So I want to take you in. Also I want to finish it over here. I want to put here sink down here. I'll put here sink so that, you know, people told me about this kitchen, and this kitchen I told you guys it's kind of small. I don't want to tamper here, maybe put utensils here when they are washing. So outside here I'll put a sink somewhere here, a sink where we'll be washing utensils from here, and then we take them in, and here we'll cover it. And also it can act as a small place, veranda, kitchen veranda. Yeah, let me know in the comment section what you think about it. It's kind of okay and big. So instead of washing utensils in, you wash the utensils from here. Water runs here, it connects with the pipe from here. There's a toilet that is built all the way to the other side. Yeah, so for the new subscribers, this is where Claude Joseph's come from, and this is our small crib over here, and this is Peter. Peter, so they did some maize shelling. So this is how we typically dry maize over here in Kenya, Africa. Also my village at my home. So yeah, you do what we call like you do maize shelling, and then you put them under sun so that they can dry and become this way. So this one is the one that prepare ugali. For those who know what ugali is, this is what prepares ugali over here. So it's drying here maybe for 2 to 3 days, and then it's done. And also we have these are now the timbers. For now they have really dried up very nicely. I think now here this will be great for him. Now these are the timbers for Mogendi that we split them. We were lumbering them the other day when we were back here, so that they can be used to do what we call like to put a roof on his house. But only what is dragging us behind is the iron sheets like this, but new ones like this. As I told you, now we need around 50 iron sheets, but for now we have 22 iron sheets, which Claude has 12, which I have saved that money for. And also Mogend, we sent him the other one that a subscriber sent to him directly to buy iron sheets. So for now we have around 22 iron sheets, and we still need 30 plus. Now that will be around 50. Yeah, so for this we have this. They have already dried up, so it's only to be done what you call like to be put upside the house, so that it can have a very nice like this. And also welcome to our crib. Woo. For those who ask Claude, show us your house, show us your home, show us where, you know, show us your house. All right, here is our beautiful house, and here is where I come from. In here we just arrived, and even we haven't yet even put our stuff on the other side, the way you see. We haven't yet. So oh, somebody's tired. So we are in here, and this is our house back at home in the village. It's a bedroom house over here. So some days we just do some furnishing and other stuffs. In Howie, are you ready to say hi to my camera? Okay, no problem. I know you are tired, so she was asleep. I don't want to disturb her, guys. Yeah, and so this is how everything is. This is our house, our 2-bedroom house. And also in here is the kitchen. For those who are asking me, why didn't you put a sink, put a washing sink somewhere here? So I just put this here. The reason is I want this kitchen, you know, it's small, so I don't want to put it to become very squeezed by putting here what we call like a washing sink. So the washing sink will be outside here, outside there where I shared with you. Sorry guys, my camera went off, so I wanted to say like to put here a banner maybe some days. And the reason why I failed to put maybe a sink here, it was like I added 2 plus 1 and I came up with an idea of not putting inside here a washing thing, because I want maybe the kitchen to be this way, spacious, and also not to put things together. So we will be taking some utensils and wash them from outside there, and then bring them in here. We can put, so this is the cupboards. Let me know in the comment section what you think about them. They have something. Oh yeah, these are our cupboards. Yeah. And one thing I came to understand is, if sometimes you put your stuffs in your house, maybe like you find them the way you left them, and you'll have peace sometimes, you know. So like here you see these ones also over here, very nice and great. Wow. So welcome back. For the new subscribers, this is where I come from. Maybe you should say, this guy is a city boy, this guy dwells in Mombasa, this guy dwells in the city. No, I come from here. This is our humble background back at home in the village in Kenya, Africa. And also we are here. This is our beautiful house. Over here it's a 2-bedroom house, as I told you. Soon we're going to bring other stuffs over here. And yeah, this is the guest room. I don't know if the light is doing all. So this is the guest room. If you pay a visit here, oh my god, let me see. Let me put it on, I think, so that I can see if it's doing. Yeah, there's light. So this is the guest room. If you pay a visit here at home, maybe at my place, you'd be staying here in this small crib of ours here. There were some subscribers who said, Claude, why did you just choose to put this? Actually, this house, guys, I never had an idea of it becoming even this way, because most of the houses here, if you build your first house, it's just, you know, they put some tiny things, no windows, like a room like this, no window. So me, actually, the way I started building this house, even this guy who I told maybe to start to do, the engineer who I left him with here, started doing his stuff. So when I came back, already the structure was this. And you know, in terms of financially, when you're just being paid $50, that's 5,000 Kenyan shillings a month. You cannot try to remove everything, and no. So this is my first house at home, my first house. So as time goes by, I've bought land where I'll maybe take you some days, where I'm dreaming to build my dream house or my dream home some days. But here at home, my father's home or parental home, this is our crib, and this is a a special room for my visitors. If you pay a visit, this is where you'll stay over here. You can lock yourself inside here and stay safe. And also, let me check. Also, this is my room. This is the place where I'll put the TV. It's like a wall TV stand you put here. And also, yeah, that's how it looks like. I put here, I'm sorry also, I left my guitar, but I don't know what cut my guitar. One string, I'll fix it. So I'll put here TV some days. And also, welcome to our bedroom. Over here, this is my bedroom. Yeah, I usually call it my master bedroom because it has a toilet in, but not like really that one. We call it advanced, not really advanced bedroom. The reason why I'm saying it's not really advanced bedroom, because this house is a madhouse. It's really a typical madhouse, you know. But now I advanced it to be the way it is right now. So yeah, we left this house over here. This is our small Wi-Fi in the village, and there it's a toilet. You just go straight and make a corner, or we call it restroom. Yeah, so this is a quick tour of our house for the new subscribers. Now we are back here, and I'm feeling like dwelling here forever and forever and forever, and some days, yeah. And also we have also another extension of a bedroom that will be here, but for now it's acting as a store over here, in which I also want to finish it as fast as I can. So that now if I come, I can accommodate more and more and more and more and more visitors when they come. And also here it's a dining place. People say it's a raised cock pool. I'm like, oh, okay, it's fine, but it's just getting ideas every single day, because those days back I never had any idea. I never traveled to places to just see how other houses look like. It was a village life, which if you build a house like this, you're regarded as a hero in the village. But I'm giving thanks for where I am. I'm giving thanks to everybody, and keep watching the videos before yeah, like each and every single day, and don't skip the ads, because there is where we get something and we always appreciate. Thank you guys, and let's show you also what's going to happen on the other episode. See you guys. Granny is singing. She's singing outside. I don't know what she's singing. Let me just go slow and hear. Listen. Oh, she has so many, and she started. Hiyo yote ni furaha bibi.
Yeah.
Hiyo yote ni furaha. Hebu imba tusikie.
Nafurahi.
Hiyo yote ni furaha. Haya, imba tusikie.
Unasikia ni vizuri. Kama nakaa mwenyewe hapa.
I can't imagine the loneliness.
Naimba.
Oh. I cannot imagine the loneliness. I have to come back home. Just because now I have a house here. She's saying I take her back home to her place in Tumbelo. Tumbelo ni wapi? Tumbelo ni wapi? Tumbelo.
Sini Tumbelo.
You know Tumbelo is a town in the other side.
Hapana ni Kondo, kama hapa mnaita mpakani.
Yeah, Tumbelo is a town in almost Tanga in Tanzania, called Tumbelo in Kondoa Irangi. So she's a Rangi. There a tribe in Tanzania called Warangi. So my grandma is one of the Warangis there. So her place called Tumbelo. In a place called Tumbelo. So she's singing when will it reach for her to go back in Tumbelo. Back to Tumbelo. The old woman of Tumbelo has just arrived in Kenya. Oh, the old woman of Tumbelo has just arrived.
Si mtoto wangu anakuja vizuri, si mimi ni wararia Mungu. Kweli waki haki na Mungu. Nafurahi zaidi kwa baba.
The old woman of Tumbelo. She comes from Tumbelo, so we can regard her as the old woman of Tumbelo. And here is the old man of Nyabohanse and the old man of Koleo. We used to sing The old man of Koleo has just arrived to town. Oh, the old man of Koleo has just arrived to town. The woman of the old man of Koleo has just gone to town. Oh, the old woman of the old man of Koleo has just gone to town. The daughter of the woman of the old man of Koleo has just gone to town. Oh, the daughter of the woman of the old man of Koleo has just gone to town. Now here we sing this way. The young, okay, let me say, how can I refer this? The CJs of Nyabohanse, oh, have just gone back home. Oh, the CJs of the old man of Koleo has just gone back home. Alright guys, see you. Yeah, la vida la continua. We say life still continue. So yeah, yesterday guys, I'm sorry I never showed you how everything was because we arrived here very late. As I was doing a video, also we had another, what you call, like work to do, because we went to the other side on the Airbnbs, and I'm sorry to say this, I'm finally back home completely. So yeah, still we are here. I'm happy being back home, and this is how you see even the fruits. These are the avocado trees, avocado, so they have started growing. And whoever needs some avocados, start DMing, starting sending your orders right now. Yeah, so we are back home fully and back home. And also, as I told you guys, I was trying to furnish my bulletproof house over here back in the village. Whenever you come now, you're very comfortable, because now the house was void those days back, very void. But for now, it has some beds, it has some seats. So yeah, I'll take you in and we see how stuff will be on also. But before that, I want to take you also to grandma. This is the second day, not really the second day of me being here with her. Hey baby.
Hey.
Hi doma.
Hi.
Hi doma. Tumafikile nadi. Hi doma. Iye mulale. Hi doma. Hey, how are you?
How are you?
You good?
Good.
Merores do mundo.
Dudu ni mondo. Wewe sema vizuri unijije. Sasa
Eti dudu ni mundo. Say merores.
Mirore.
Merores.
Mirores.
Do.
To.
Mundo.
Mundo.
Merores.
Walileke.
Do mundo.
Ya mundo.
Merores do mundo.
Yere do mundo.
Yeah. Subscribe. Peace. Yes, this is my comedian granny over here. Always. She's my all-time doll whenever I'm back in the village. I usually miss her sometimes when I go, but thank God I'm with her here again. And now full care will be here with her. She's very energetic by now, and I thank God for that. That's very nice, because when she's sick, I also feel sick. I feel no peace. But when she's this way, I can laugh, I can just go, come back and find her that way, because that means she's energetic. So I want to take you in. Also want to introduce you to Min Hawi, because yesterday she was very tired and she was asleep. I couldn't have tried to trigger her, maybe come, we'll do this video. So yesterday I was shifting some stuff from the other side of the Airbnb back home, so that we can see what's going on around. Are you ready to see our bulletproof house? Ooh. Knock to the heavens door. Ooh, welcome to our bulletproof house. Hi. I always lock this door behind, because sometimes you have some flies come in, sometimes. So whenever I come out, just coming in, I just return it that way. Yeah, so welcome into our bulletproof house around here. Finally, we are here, and this is how it looks like. And here is the Queen Bee machine. Queen Fee. Hi.
Hi guys.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
You good?
I'm good.
Also me, I'm good. I give thanks to Almighty for the good life.
How's village life?
Village life is best, and it's good.
I know you have missed it.
I have missed it.
Yeah.
And now I'm here, guys. I'm back. Things are really moving on well. Grandma, what actually makes me become more and more happy is how grandma is by now.
Our grandma is
She can run. She can
It's fine,
kick, she can box
she
you.
doesn't even use a walking stick
Yeah,
anymore. So
anywhere.
I was like, wow, that's nice. We did something good.
Yeah, introduce yourself because yesterday you
Minhawi
was.
guys, Minhawi as always. Yeah. I'm also a member of this channel, I think. Yeah, so guys, kindly subscribe to my channel. Road to 10,000 subscribers. Oops, 10,000 subscribers. Let us get there by the end of next month. Or
Yeah,
this month.
maybe you thought maybe
It's
it's.
a month.
Yeah, it's
No, by the end
almost,
of
it's
next
almost a
month, I want
month.
to be around
Maybe
10,000
you said
subscribers.
you wanted to say maybe it's village life with dinner. Yeah. Let's
Yeah,
take her
and
to
also
1,000.
guys, check my mom out. My mom's channel is out. Village Life with Dinner. We opened the channel yesterday. I hope you'll pin the link so that you guys can subscribe to her channel.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm telling you. I hope you'll pin the link.
Kindly guys, subscribe to her YouTube channel. Is the Wi-Fi working? Because I'm seeing you on
Yeah,
your
the
phone.
Wi-Fi is working
But this
in
is
the
not
village, guys.
But this is not the best place to put it. Actually, I think some days I wanna hide it. Maybe somewhere up here.
Why do we hide?
No, it's like to just put it because here, if you sit here, it's guys. Please
I think
comment
just
down
fit
below.
to- Just fit. Just
Yeah,
fit
to
to
fix
the wall.
it. Oh, yeah.
Because I think up it will spoil the gypsum.
Yeah, for
Yeah.
sure.
So and then we'll have a lot of wires running up there. So
No, it's inside. When it's inside, the wires run and then the Wi-Fi can be sticked. Maybe somewhere. I don't know if it's a good idea, guys, but let me know at the comment section instead of it sitting on the chair with us.
this one is temporary.
Yeah, it's
I think,
temporary.
maybe you can put, but I feel like it will spoil the.
Yeah, this is a router actually, guys. It's a router. I can just extend it. Yeah, one thing I want is like I'll just put everywhere because now this one I came to realize that there's another like how can I say talent in me or it's another thing. So you can use this one Wi-Fi just to supply everywhere. So like I can buy more of this, more of these routers. Then you can tap from one place, which will be the main inside the house, outside to the other house. So if you just pass by here, maybe if your Wi-Fi's are on, they just run. You see CJs, you see Minhao, you see room 2, you see. So that's how actually I'm planning to, because in here in the living room, show them the Wi-Fi is strong.
Yeah, it's working.
It's strong and fine. Also in the bedroom in which I'll take you, you see the main. Yeah, so everything will be so nice. So the other day I showed you how everything is. Are you happy being back? Or do you want to go back to Mombasa?
Remember you had asked me to say something.
Say something.
No,
No, I just wanted to ask them.
I'm trying to connect it to what you asked me initially.
It was about Mama's taking her to 1,000 subscribers.
Yeah, I was trying to give her a shout out.
Yeah.
Mama, a shout out.
Yeah, what's her
But anyway,
channel?
Yeah, a Village Life with Dinner.
Village Life with
Yeah,
Dinner.
so can they check her out and
Yeah.
subscribe to her YouTube channel.
Absolutely, guys. Yeah, so how is the life here?
No, just
Are
normal.
you comfortable?
Yeah, I can't complain.
Is the house hot, cool?
No, it's cool. Totally
Cool?
cool. Not hot at all. And me, of course, I love hot on the hot of Mombasa, but in the village here,
Yeah.
I like it just cool. And
Yeah, for now,
quiet.
like the sun outside is extremely hot.
And there's
Yeah.
a spider here.
Oh, which is the spider?
Look
Right
at
here.
that.
No, it's
It's
down.
falling down.
Oh, it's a small one.
Yeah, it is.
This one?
Yeah.
We haven't been in this house for long, so I think we do what we call like inside here. Mostly, guys. Let me.
There's another one there.
Guys, inside here, sometimes when we are not inside the house, mostly these things develop. Like this one, it's a small spider. But I'll just clean them out, or we will clean them out, or obviously like a few. So we will see. Young man from school.
Yes.
Why today you came lunch, man? Come say hi. Yes, this is our young brother, Manu Claude. Hey, man, you look nice. You don't have a tie, but you.
I have it.
You have it. Why have you not put it on? But let me not become hard on you guys. This is our young brother. He's also a content creator by the name Manu Claude. Introduce yourself.
Yeah, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Claude Joseph YouTube channel. If you're new there, guys, please subscribe to his channel. He's on to 30k subscribers.
Yes.
Please hit him there, and he will really appreciate.
How many subscribers do you have by now?
Now I'm 570.
Okay. Which school is this?
Reverend David.
Reverend David Vesco. Guys, this is the school that has made some superstars around here in the village. If you see Marwa passed by through this school. If you see Dimwango, this school. David Jr. here. Nasto here. Maja here. Claude Joseph here. A lot. This school has made us proud, and we are so much proud of our school. So maybe you heard about us coming. You came yesterday night at late, and these guys, maybe they were going back. So let me rush.
No, in
But
school-
you usually eat at school.
Yeah, I should eat at school, but they have
You decided to say, let me go and
no,
see
no,
how
no,
these
no,
people
because
are.
no, yeah, it's
What do you think, Minhawi?
They have put some, I don't know if it's poison inside the githeri.
Poison?
Yeah. You know, they took the githeri, put it inside the paper, that nylon paper, then they returned it back. They took dania, hoho, nyanya. They took dania, nyanya, oil, then they pour inside. They left it there like that. No one knows who put them.
Someone
Who
put
put?
that inside.
Yeah.
So nobody knows who put it.
Yes.
So you are trying to go home for lunch?
No, we are not taught because other people are school.
Other
Eh,
people-
yeah, yes.
So you said they're like, no,
No.
you have to
My
run.
yes, my stomach is.
So you
So
said
you
to
know.
come back home.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, it's fine. So here we say took, not tooked. The best English is
Like-
put, not
put.
put, not
Took,
took.
took.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Don't
So
say putted or
not
putted.
putted, took, tooked. Yeah. So I'll have to buy you an English aid. I think I have one English aid in my library, in my small box that I call the library. Yeah, my small box. You know me, since I started school, maybe if somebody has stolen my books, but I have all books. So I used to have my English aid, so it can help you. How many subscribers by now?
570.
Hey guys, let's take him to 1K so that I can be feeling better. Are you happy for us being back home? Are you happy for us being back home? Or you're like,
Yes,
That
I'm
you're
very
back home.
happy.
you're very happy. Okay.
No, my ears now.
Yeah.
I
Why?
can't hear.
What is it?
The fluid.
Flu,
Yes.
not fluid. Flu.
Flu. Yes.
Okay. Okay, fine. Okay. So guys, that is it. This is my young brother, and now this is how we arranged our house. Most of Minhawi's and the friend used to tell me, remove this pulpit here. Remove this pulpit.
Ah, you have to tell people
Now guys, look what I just wanted to be. I had an idea of this. So over here you can just sit from this side. You can sit from this side. Maybe you can put here a small table, or maybe remove this, or put here a small table, but this is still okay. You put here a small table. You can eat from here, order food from there. Let me see, maybe I'll take you to the kitchen and eat. You can order food from there and say, hi, how are you, chef? Can we have some cappuccino? And then you'll be given from that window, and then you put here, you sit around here. And yeah, also you can watch a TV or a television from the other side. And also the same people who are from there, we have this two table like thing on the other side. They can share on the other side. So yeah, the other one which has black is measured with this gray. This one is cream. It measures, it just go hand in hand with the floor. And this is how we arrange them. And also we'll be heading to town some days. Wanna buy the window we call them the window rods, so that we can be able to anchor our shears, right? Because
if you put the curtain, I think we put the shears. Because we put the curtain, they are very heavy.
okay.
Remember, they were even bent.
Yeah.
So this house also, remember, it's a mad house.
No, actually the thing is, one of my subscribers from the US, long time ago when I was just making this house, she once sent me the what we call like the window, what do you call it? The curtains and the shears. So a big shout out to you, Miss Pinky. I really love you and thank you so much. She was really supporting me, telling me, okay, you can put this. So she sent me all
Your
the
mom.
yeah, she's my mom. Yeah, my mom
Your
actually.
bonus mom.
My mom, you know, thank you so much. I really love you, mom. Thank you so much, Miss Pinky. Be blessed. She was like, Claude, I want your house to look nice. So she sent all the way the curtains from and the shears and some clothes. And also, you see that zebra cloth that you usually put on sometimes? Yeah, she's the one who sent it. Thank you so much, Mama. Be blessed always. I pray Almighty God to bless you with good health, strength, always. And also, thank you so much for all subscribers who usually support Claude by watching the videos and not skipping the ads. Thank you so much. Now we are here, and also I put this mirror here. Actually, sometimes maybe somebody has eaten from there, and he want to see their stomach, or they want to see maybe something left here. They like, let me check myself from here. So I put this mirror here, actually in this side. So this is the guest room, and also here I just put some of my TV. Some days we'll buy it, some days, and here I'll put some best. Maybe if you want wine, I'll put a wine It will be like a winery. I'll put some bottles here for wine. Some days, if you come and you want wine, cold wine, you can just have it from here, and here. But for now, I'm using it to put my radio, and on this other side, and also our small guitar as a souvenir, and also this souvenir here. It came all the way from the US, and also from this side. There's also these shoes. Huh?
Shoes, eh?
Now this we want a kid, Minhawi.
Which kid?
A kid.
Where from? Where did the kid come from?
Oh, you can download her or him.
Ah,
Download the
is that
kid.
up where the kid
Download.
is? Download it.
Download the kid for us. But if you download him or her, make sure he looks like exactly like Claude.
Ah,
Download.
I will download.
Which app is that for you to download kids?
There's a viral video of a kid telling the mom,
Yeah.
"Can you go and download the baby?"
For me. So I want you also to download the baby so that he or she can fit in these shoes. The souvenir. Very, very nice. Came all the way from the US. Thank you, mom. Thank you so much. You wished us all the best. And always you wish us all the best. So this is our house. And this is how it looks like. Let me know in the comment section what you think about it. And also, it's a small crib, guys. Me, I'm satisfied for this house actually here in the village, where I have some place where I can call my friend to come and just have with me. If you have my visitors, we can have just our own issue around here. We can discuss them in our small crib. And also we are we have land.
When did we download our baby?
Yes.
Your name is Claude. Eh?
Yeah, my name is Claude.
So I've seen a name here. Someone called Claudette.
Claudette. And we have Claudette, Claudia, and Claudine.
Claudette.
Claudette, Claudia, Claudine.
Claudette.
So
I think
not
Claudette. No, Claudette feels
Claudette
nice.
Josephette.
It's pet.
Claudette Josephette. Yeah, so actually this is our house here at home, because here there is my parents' home. Maybe you should not get me wrong. Maybe I should rectify you these guys. In an African traditional society, it is believed that, let me close this door because some flies, I want them to go in. I hate flies. So in an African traditional society, it's believed that if you are born a boy, or if you are born amongst the boys around here in a family, if suppose this is our parents' house, if we were born in here and we have been staying here, maybe having our own room, once we grow big, once we are maybe 15 there, everybody starts being separating him or herself, like these boys' rooms and these girls' rooms. So once you are like now 18, you can just depend on your own. You are being selected aside where you can put your small crib, and then now there you can stay, maybe you can marry. It's called Simba. Most of the people call it Simba. So like me here, I have this small house over here. I call it as a Simba. It's a temporary house mostly, because they believe sometimes you can go and get land on the other side and build your home, because now this is your parents' home. You never maybe say like you cannot come back. You come back, but once you come back, you can have a place to stay on your home. Also, not only me, also my elder brother here called Jacob, he has his own crib over here. My grandma has her own crib over there. Also, in a few days, or no, less than 2 months back, I was helping to construct my young brother here, Mogendi the Dreamer, a house here, so that he can have his own crib. In our family, we are 7 of us as children. Like our firstborn is he's a priest, he's a Catholic priest. Actually, he's a deacon, because you can say he's not really ordained to become a priest, but he's still on the process. So they are non-marrying members. The second born, he's in Tanzania, and he has his own family. Some days you see him whenever he comes here, maybe doing coming to give baby soup or coming to say hi. I usually include him to my videos. So he's our second born. Our third born is this one, Jacob, over here. So our second born, he could have constructed his house, but he's having his dream to come and construct a small house also for him, that whenever he comes back from Tanzania, he can come and stay here, but he has family over there. So our fourth born, who used to be a sister to us, who died before I see her, and then now Claude here, the fifth born. I am here. I'm sorry, like to say my sister died long time ago. So I am here now, the fifth born, who I have the house over here. Now this is my crib. Also we have the sixth born, who is Mogendi the Dreamer. The house is not here, but still the house is not yet complete. Mogendi is not here, still also in the Tanzania border there. But I'm really moving forward. so that I am pushing, because for now we have timbers as you see over here, and we have around 22 iron sheets. That house needs around 50 iron sheets so that he can have his own crib also. And then also our 7th born, who is our sister now, our sister, one and only sister, who she's at school by now, but by this year she'll get done with the secondary school. And also our 7th born, or our 8th born, who is now Manu Claude over there. So everybody will have his own crib. And also we shall say, in an African traditional society, last borns are the one who are left at home. Like all this property will be for the last born, you know. That's now Manu Claude. So as you see, this is my dad's house and my mom's house. This is grandma's house. This is my house. That's my Elder Jacob house, Mogendi, you know. So, and also let me know at the comment section, how do you people do culturally? Because with me, my dad really not wanted maybe to do it really follow like me. I'm the right hand from here. I just constructed my house on the right hand, and I'm not the firstborn, you know. My brother just constructed down there, and he's not the secondborn, you know. So in other homes, you'll see, oh, the firstborn is supposed to construct at the gate, at the main gate on the right side, which is me, who I am here now. The secondborn is supposed to grow to construct his house on the left side at the gate, in which nobody has constructed. That's the kitchen over there. And so, but my dad was like, no, we have no time for that, because we cannot cling on the past long. You just put your small house here, the other one can put here, that way, you know. So that's how it is. And this is the other side, the back corridor that separates between grandma and our dad. So this is the house all the way on the other side. And also we have some tomato tree here. We call them tomato tree. So yeah, we have some tomato tree. I think this is almost ready. This is tomato tree. I'll just come and harvest them. The other day I never knew what it was, but since I went to Kisii town and I saw these trees, and they are very sweet. So I'm so proud that we have those tomato trees over here. It's a fruit, very nice fruit. It actually adds what we call like blood to the body. They are called tomato trees. So we have several of them, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They're just several of them, and I think we just do more and more. So this is the back door of our parents' house, and also this is how they are. And also on this other side also, it's the back side of grandma. Yeah, so we are back home, and I'm happy to be back home. And also now this is my house, the other side. This is the other room that I was constructing also, so that I can make a door here, so that somebody can have his own space over here. If you come maybe with your wife and you don't want maybe any disturbance, and just stay in here. And if you don't want maybe to cross by to the road, to the other door, you can pass through this door. But we'll be sharing the living room. Yeah, inside here. And also let me share with you, we are here with Diana. Diana, how are you?
I'm fine.
You good?
Yes.
Introduce yourself. Long time. Come on. Yeah.
Hi guys.
Yes.
Welcome to Claude Joseph YouTube channel.
Yes.
My name is Diana.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Are you willing one day you open a YouTube?
Yes.
Yeah. What will be the Diana? It's only Diana.
Diana Wambura.
It's Diana Wambura.
Yeah.
No, maybe it could be like it's only Diana. Or you write only _ Diana. So it'll be like only Diana. Okay, so guys, this Diana, she's our house manager actually. So for now we are here with her in the village, and what are you preparing? Sardines. Omena. Yes, these are omena. Or we call them sardines. Or here we call them omena. So today we'll be eating omena or sardines with ugali or rice. Ugali. Yeah, so guys, this kitchen. I just said chicken. Did I just say chicken? Oh my god. This kitchen. This is how you see it. It was actually under the courtesy of Minhawi. So she really done what you have seen here as a wife. She's really doing great. And also, as I told you guys, I'm going not to put a lot of things in here, like the way I told you that I'll put here sink, but no sink. So the sink will be outside here. So as you cook inside here, so because the space will be so minimal, you can wash your stuffs from outside here because I'll put a roof over here also. You put some washing stuffs over here, a sink, so when you wash your stuffs they can dry up the way you see there, and also you take them in. Yeah, so with me guys, I'm appreciating your love, and also I'm appreciating each and every person. And one thing actually just like I was forgetting is like I want to put some security lights all over on that tree on this other side, because look, I was so sad. Burundian traveler called me and told me, you know what, Kaka, hey, they stole your security lights. You see guys, somebody come and go with it, came also on this other side, went with it. You see, like they just steal. I buy whenever I'm just outside of home, they steal the bulbs. So my idea is to buy those big watts. I put one over there at grandma's house, up there. It can just shine on this other side. And also I just move this one. I'll put another one that looks like a snake light, and come put another one up there or here. It can just go down, and another one I'll put it up here on the tree. Some days I'll just share with you, because look, they stole 1, 2, and they came here, stole also this one, because most of the times nobody is here, only grandma, and maybe grandma sometimes she's sleeping during the day, so some people come and take advantage of that. They just and go with it and go with it. And so guys, this is my humble background. This is where Claude Joseph come from, and let me know in the comment section what you think about this. More videos coming out each and every single day. I'm going to prepare more videos from here, and also God willing soon we'll be resuming back to traveling. But before that, I'll also be able to take you to our dreamland, because it has been so long time before taking you to our dreamland, because some days I'll be coming here as a visitor, like the way my elder brother comes here like a visitor, you know. So this will be a home, and it will meant to be my home, but I'm going to have my own home that I call home on my own. Home where I have my own family, I have my wife, my kids, and everything, blah blah blah. All right, bye bro. Yeah, so thank you so much guys, be blessed always, and also road to 30,000 subscribers. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this. Thank you so much, and always guys, let's avoid this negative energy sometimes, and let's create peace always, and let's pray for each and every person around, no matter what. Guys, me, I always embrace peace, I evangelize peace, harmony, and respect. It to each and every. Respect somebody's work, respect somebody's ideas, respect somebody's things, you know. That's what keeps Claude moving. Honesty is the key. So thank you so much, be blessed always. I love you guys. Let's subscribe to 30,000 subscribers. For now we are back home, and yes guys, and also I received some visitors, and those visitors starts with
Yes. Hi guys.
boy. All right.
Hello guys.
Okay.
Hi.
Hi. Hi. No, you're joking. Okay, we are pausing.
Guys, welcome back to Claude Joseph's YouTube channel. I missed you guys from Claude Joseph's side. Hey,
Missed you too.
you missed me?
Yes.
I missed you so much. Yes. Yeah, so my name is Bertha, guys, in case you are new and you don't know me. I'm also a content creator. You can go check our YouTube channel. It's called Muita and Bertha. And guys, tell me my new look. How do you look nice? Guys, I must show you guys. You know, today I'm
You're slaying.
I'm slaying.
Yeah.
Pregnant mom slaying.
Okay.
It's your time.
It's your time.
Yeah. So guys, subscribe to Claude Joseph's YouTube channel, and also subscribe to our channel. And today I came to see them. You know, I haven't seen them for a long time.
Yeah.
It's like a week. So they just arrived yesterday, and I said today I must come. Actually, I was supposed to come yesterday, but yes, immediately they arrived, I come. But they were moving. It's so sad, guys. They left me. Imagine. But it's no problem, because here it's not far. Yeah. So I came to see them and check out how they're doing, how Minawi is doing. We gossip.
You have your gossips. Hey, these ladies love gossip together. Eh?
Yes. So I came to check up on them and find out how they are doing. And I'm loving everything about what I'm seeing, especially the living room, guys. The last time I did a video, I was sitting down.
The pulpit.
I was saying this thing was a pulpit, and I told Claude Joseph to remove it.
But now
It looks so beautiful. I can't complain right now. So I thought like this thing would take up much space when they. I thought this thing would take up much space.
Yeah, she was telling me the other time that this will take up a big space. Kindly demolish it. I said,
See now what
it looks nice, right?
It looks nice, by the way.
You love it?
I love it.
Wow.
it makes a good design.
A video, a house
I
tour.
must do another video house tour. You know that time it was not furnished, but
Yeah.
now
Yeah.
it has been furnished.
It has been
So,
furnished, yeah.
I think I'll do another video showing them how you are.
Yeah.
You know they call this house what? Bulletproof.
It's a bulletproof.
Bulletproof.
Yeah, it's a bulletproof.
And it looks like a bullet because it is unique. Look at this, guys. May I also just have an opportunity just to enjoy myself? Wow, what an opportunity, guys. So lovely, so comfortable. I feel comfy. Where, guys? I'm not leaving this home. I'll be here, guys. No, I'll not leave this home. Guys, welcome. Remember this couple. This couple, they are no joke. Yeah? Guys, if not that, not even, I don't know what to say. Now I'm stepping down. Now look at this other sofa set. Where have you seen this design, guys? Wow. Wow. May I have an opportunity as well? Yeah.
Welcome, Mama, home. And welcome. This is our small crib back in the village over here. And we are really trying. Not really like putting our bed, but we're really trying to just try to have this over here in the village. And guys, this is her first time over here in our home. And Mama Glow, actually, is Mama Glow, right?
Mama Glow is
I am Obanda.
Yeah, I am Obanda. Yeah, I am Obanda. I hope like the other channel got terminated. We are sorry for that, guys. Now she's I am Obanda, and she's really really trying, and she's really pushing herself, guys. Please, let's subscribe to her YouTube channel and make great to her.
She's almost at 1,000 subscribers.
Yeah,
and
actually.
congratulations, you've
Thank
grown
you.
so fast.
So fast.
Thank you now. If it were not for your encouragement, and I used to tell you, these young people, they encouraged me. They told me, Mama, that is, the end has not come.
Yes.
Yeah, and when you lose, it is just the beginning.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so when I reached the end of the road, there was a way out.
Absolutely.
God has done it. And that's why I owe all my respect to these young people.
Thank you so much.
They are
Mama.
not my age, they are just my babies.
For sure.
But my love for them is just too much.
Thank you so
Yes.
much. We love you right back, Mama.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank
much
you,
and
guys.
for
Yeah,
paying
and
your
also,
visit.
guys,
Yes.
I am Obanda or Mama Glow, but I am Obanda is the channel name.
Yes.
She's one very sweet mother to all of us in the village here. She's one of a kind, like we say. You know, I feel like she's just a special person, and she has this special.
Guys, they told me that age is nothing. It's just a number.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then I felt young. All of a sudden, youthfulness came in, and I could jump, I could walk. I don't get tired anyway. By the way, at my age, most people they are old.
They're tired.
Yeah, for
They are
sure.
tired.
For sure.
Me, I'm young at heart, and that's why when I'm with you, I feel even youngest. Yeah.
So may think you're destined for greatness. May just don't give up. Let nothing draw you back. Let nothing discourage you. Keep going forward. Now that you are she's now a local.
Yeah, for sure. Of Nyabohansi
So
over
you
here.
can't say
Yeah.
she's a visitor. Oh no.
Yeah.
This is
She's
my
a local
home.
now. This is her home.
Yeah.
She's now almost permanent. Not permanently. She's staying here.
Yeah.
She's a resident.
Yeah,
Yes.
Nyabohansi now.
For a long time now.
Yeah, for
So
sure.
guys, kindly support her. give the equal support that you give each and every person.
Yeah,
from
for
your
sure.
hands.
For sure.
Yeah, thank you and welcome to our home.
And Mama, I have some question. For the time that you have been here around Nyabohansa, you have stayed with us since the time of the party up to now. What can you tell people? Because sometimes you have these negative people from out just trying to say negative about Nyabohansa. You have been
What's
here.
your experience?
What's your experience staying in Nyabohansa?
My little boy and
Yes.
you guys.
Yes.
Nyabohansa is the best place to be. Me, I've met people with good hearts. I can't compare even the people of my own people in Siaya County, where I come from.
Yes.
Nyabohansa, there are people with unique character, unique mind. I am respected. The first day I came in, everyone was greeting me. Shikamo. I didn't know even how to ask. Shikamo.
Yes, come.
Like what? Shikamo. I can't even mention. I didn't know even what to answer. And then I move a bit. Shikamo. Then I ask, what is Shikamo? Then they're saying that's the respect.
Yeah, the greetings.
Yes.
Yeah,
And some were calling me Bibi.
yeah.
Because I told them I'm not Bibi. Bibi means wife in English.
In English.
I told them I'm not a wife to anyone in this Nyabohansa. I'm just a visitor. Then they told me, no. Bibi is a name I respected for old
All
women.
women, yeah. Aged women, yeah.
Which means I am respected by everyone here.
Yeah.
And people are very kind. I cannot say that they are not bad. Because when I came empty-handed here. But now I'm being filled with so many things by YouTube. I didn't know anything to do with YouTube.
Yes.
And I found very friendly people.
Wow.
Yeah, I just called. Like Minhawi, I just called you. You didn't know me. And then the welcome you gave. And Claude Joseph, also you didn't know me.
For sure.
The welcome. And even kuna Mwita Junior
Mwita Junior.
and Bata.
Bata, yeah.
They were just good children. And they welcomed just their mother. So not only them, even around here, even people do not know me. They just want to share with me, to be with me, to love me. I don't know. So whoever is spoiling the name of this village,
Yes.
you yourself, you are a bad person, and you must be blamed, or you will be taken to jail. Because me, I've found a home of good people, with a full of love, with full of encouragement.
Yes.
They didn't look at my age. They just allowed me to fit in them. So even now, as I am here, I'm just at home.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
And you're always welcome. Whenever you
always
feel like doing
welcome.
content,
Thank
Bertha
you.
is
Bertha is here.
Remember, Bertha is a family member of this house.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Basically. So whenever she wants to come to do content, you
Yes.
can always tag along. Come
Thank
do
you.
content,
Thank
village
you.
content, you
Yes,
know?
thank
Yeah, you're welcome.
I will. I'm thick.
Oh, really?
Yes, so it is bulletproof.
Yeah, thank you, Mama.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
It looks so nice. I love everything.
Yes.
And yeah, I love the progress you have made.
Yes.
Though you have left me, it's so sad, but
We are here together.
every day.
Up there.
Yeah. Up here, those are they call the kukris in Nepalese. Yeah, they look. It looks like a butterfly.
I didn't know even whether to call them Tanzania or what. That's why I did not give it a name. It looked unique.
From here, you'll see it's a butterfly, but
Yes.
it is It symbolizes the Nepalese national symbol. It's called the kukris. Yeah, the knife is it looks like a knife.
Where
So,
did you borrow this design?
it's just normal here. I just delivered my thoughts or my ideas to somebody who was doing this, and he delivered exactly what I wanted. Because I never wanted much decorations, just only flat and something like this. Yeah. Introduce yourself, Mama Suji. Mama Glow. Sorry. I am Obanda.
I told her to look for another name.
Yeah, I am Obanda.
Obanda is my father,
Yes.
and Nyo,
Yes.
Nyar Obanda, Nyo.
Oh,
Nyarobanda.
Nyarobanda.
Nyarobanda is better.
Yeah,
It's Nyarobanda.
I'm Nyarobanda. So
Nyarobanda.
I put it Nyarobanda.
Yeah.
So guys, welcome to my channel.
Yes.
And stay put and watch this video.
Yeah.
As we are here with Michael Joseph
Yeah.
and Minhawi.
Yeah.
Claude Joseph. Excuse.
Michael
That's-
Jackson
that is
idea.
It's a slip of tongue.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, Claude Joseph
Yeah.
and Minhawi. Malawi.
Yeah.
Yeah, these are very lovely people.
Yes.
They welcomed me so cordially,
Yeah.
and I feel at home. And I just love their being with them here.
Yes.
Yeah, their presence gives me hope, gives me even to see the future.
For sure,
Yeah,
Mama.
these young people you cannot compare with anybody. Because
Thank you,
there's
Mama.
something special with you, the two of you. I didn't know you, but when I saw I saw something special in you, something special in you.
Yeah.
And that's why I just got myself feeling at home.
Yeah.
You remember when the first day I was just feeling at home.
Yeah.
Even you. They are my children anyway,
Yeah, for
guys.
sure.
But they are the children with a unique character.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
they have
Mama.
special touch and love. I don't know how to explain. I don't know much English, but
Yeah.
they have brought warmth in my heart.
Thank you so much,
Yes,
Mama.
yes, guys.
You're highly welcome to our
Thank
home.
you, guys.
And thank you so much.
Welcome.
Guys, please subscribe to I Am Obanda.
Yes.
She's really trying, guys. You can see she's pushing herself. Please make sure you subscribe. Road to 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, up to 10,000 plus.
Yes.
And really appreciate your love and support. And that's been how it. And from this side, I appreciate your love for paying a visit. They usually say a house that receives visitors is a blessed house.
House.
So,
Abraham and Sarah, you see, they got Isaac. So now me, I've come here.
Yes.
I'm a special visitor.
Yes.
Angel sent. So receive me with a lot of expectation.
Expectations.
I brought something special here.
Wow, man.
So,
Thank you so much.
Isaac will be here very soon.
Yeah.
In Jesus' name.
Amen.
In Jesus' name. Yes, I am bringing this special blessing here.
Thank you so much. Man.
And may God continue blessing even to higher heights, even physically. Let Him bless you spiritually and also physically.
Thank you.
Because you need to grow. When you're born, you don't have to remain a baby. You need to grow.
Absolutely.
Yes,
Yeah.
growing, you have to grow all sides.
Yeah, for
Physical, spiritual,
Mind-wise.
material.
Yeah.
I want you to be prosperous.
Thank you so much.
Prosperity. I ask for the blessing of God to bring prosperity upon Claude,
Amen.
upon Minawi,
Amen.
and upon their family.
Amen.
And let Him bless you with many, many children.
Amen.
Children are a gift.
Amen.
Yeah,
For sure.
I know you these days you don't have to have children the way we used to have them many.
How many do you have?
I have 5.
Wow.
Wow.
Yes. But you people now, I'm blessing you. This is a special gift. A blessing from me. And it is from above.
Amen. Mama.
May you be blessed.
Amen.
May you be blessed
Amen.
until you will just be shocked.
Amen.
Mpaka mushangae.
Amen.
In the name of Jesus Christ.
Amen.
And may your channel grow from one level to the highest height.
Amen.
So
Mama.
that you will be famous.
Thank you so
And
much.
I pray that your love remain, and this smiling remain, and this welcome remain in you.
Amen. Mama.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
I don't know what to say. I just came to bring blessing and to bring just support and love.
Thank you.
And may you be blessed in every way.
Thank you.
Way. Whatever you touch, let
Thank
it be
you.
blessed in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Amen.
Guys, help me say
Yes.
thank you to
Yes.
I Am Obanda by
By
subscribing
Yes,
and
it is. Yes.
making her to reach 1,000 plus subscribers. Thank you so much, ma'am. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you, Minhawi.
Thank you.
And thank you,
too.
Bata. You have been
Thank you,
greeted,
Bata.
Minhawi.
Yes.
Mama is greeting
I'm
you.
greeting you.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Yeah.
Minawi.
Bye.
Thank you, Bata.
Guys, bye.
Bye, guys. Bye, and thank you so much for paying a visit.
Thank you.
All right.